Yes, bete. Linear differential equation, one question we are taking. We know that linear differential equation is dy upon dx plus py equals to q. This is the linear differential equation. In this, major thing is there should not be any coefficient with dy upon dx. If there is any coefficient with dy upon dx, then we need to divide with that to the whole differential equation. Now we need to solve this differential equation. So first step will be to find IF. IF full form is integrating factor. IF full form is integrating factor. So this IF is e to power integral of p dx. E to the power integral of p dx is IF. This IF calculation now. E to the power p into y means the value of p will be over here 2 integral of 2 dx. That is e to the power 2x.
Sorry to disturb you.
Yes, IF is e to the power 2x. This is integrating factor. Now next step is multiply on both the sides of the differential equation. Multiply on both the sides of the differential equation by IF. That is e to the power 2x dy on dx plus 2 into e to the power 2x into y is equals to e to the power 2x into sin x. So this will be the overall condition. Now see on the left hand side what I am able to find. It is first function differentiation of second plus second function differentiation of first, means I could write it ddx of if into y. ddx of if into y is equals to e to power 2x sin x. Now integrating both the sides with respect to x. So integral ddx of e to power 2x into y with respect to x means dx will be equals to integral e to power 2x sin x dx. Integral to differentiation will get cancelled, so it will become e to power 2x into y equals to, now in this is simple integration. What we need to apply? Integral by part. What must be the first function in this case? Sin x. Integral e to the power 2x dx minus integral differentiation of sin x ddx sin x into integral e to the power x dx whole dx. So it will become sin x into integral of e to power 2x will be e to the power 2x upon coefficient of x, that is 2, minus integral sin x will give us derivative as cos x into e to the power 2x will be e to the power 2x. E to the power 2x by 2 dx. Now further this one integral again we need to integrate it, mean further integration. So 1 by 2 e to the power 2x sin x minus first function, that is cos x, integral of second e to the power 2x dx minus integral differentiation of cos x. Differentiation of cos x will be minus sin x into integral of e to power 2x will be e to power 2x by 2. This 2 will be with this also. So this will be the result. Yes, now we have come to the conclusion that it is same as this. We are able to see the same thing, whatever was integrated, that only was this. So I have put its value as 1 by 4 e to power 2x into y. This is coming on this side, so it will become e to power 2x into y plus 1 by 4 e to power 2x into y equals to, see, e to power 2x is common and by 2 is again I am taking common, so it will become sin x minus half of cos x. Now whole integration is over, so plus c we need to write. On taking LCM, this will become 5 by 4 e to power 2x into y is equals to e to power 2x by 2 sin x minus cos x plus c whole upon 2. This 2, this will get cancelled and 5 is coming in the denominator on the other side. So this will be answer. We could take e to power 2x also on the other side. That will also make the answer y equals to something. So that we could solve as per our need. So this was the question. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.